This VIP Realty property video is presented by Valerie Vaccaro. Look no further, this tastefully furnished 2-bedroom 2-bath Cambridge model. Split bedroom floor plan, large eat-in kitchen with plenty of cabinet and counter space. Stainless steel appliances less than 1 year old. Formal dining room, floor-to-ceiling impact sliders in living room overlooking golf course and lake views. Impact windows throughout. Stackable washer/dryer in unit. 6 panel doors. Close to elevator. Enjoy happy hours and potlucks with your neighbors on the oversized patio. Unit is being sold furnished with a few exclusions. Covered carport number 35 golf cart space number 516 plus bonus golf cart, as is. 7 lakes, a true 55 plus bundled golf and tennis active community with unlimited golf with no transfer, trail or green fees. 6 heated pools, pickleball, fitness center, tennis pavilion, on-site restaurant with no minimums, wood shop, hobby room, tiki hut, auditorium for socials and dances. On-site golf and tennis pros. Centrally located to shopping, restaurants, RSW Airport, downtown Fort Myers, Barbara B Mann Theater, beaches and so much more. For more information, review the details below or contact Valerie Vaccaro at 631-404-7563.